This video will show you how to share a Google Sheets file. Once your Google Sheets file is open, at the upper left part of the screen, click the File menu, and then move your mouse cursor just a little bit downward until you get here on Share. And then you will see two options. Click the first one, which is Share with Others. After clicking that, click the Type box and type the email address of who you want to share the file with. This time, let's write qu@gmail.com, just for an example. Click that, and here you'll get the chance to write a few messages on it, and let this box remain checked if you want to notify that person, or just untick it if you don't want to notify him. You could also change the role of the person you want to share the file with by choosing among the three options. If you don't want him to make any changes on the file, choose and click Viewer, then click the Share button at the bottom. Or if you plan to share the file with someone other than through email, here at the bottom left part of the box, just click the link icon to copy the link. After clicking the link icon or copying the link, just go to your preferred messaging app, paste the link there. Once it's pasted, don't forget to click Send. In this case, you can click Share. If you want the Google Sheets file to be accessible by anyone, you can change it here on General Access and click on the current option to see the different options and then choose anyone with the link. At the right side of it, you can change the role of the current viewers of the file. If you want them to make and add comments on it, click on Commenter. If you want them to make any changes on the file, choose and click Editor. Click this as well, and then just copy the link and paste it on wherever you're allowed to. And that's how you share a Google Sheets file with others. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more bite-sized tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.